By default, the aggregation method in a semantic model for integers, which are implicit measures coming from the native source, is going to be sum. In the product dimension, you would see that we have got an integer with a sigma sign. This is a native column and it is also an implicit native measure. Now, if I click on cost price and expand the properties pane, in the advanced property section, I'll see that the default method is sum. Now, summing a cost price by product is actually incorrect because we need the average cost price by product. In order to have the average cost price, I'm forced to write a DAX measure. But what if I do not know how to write this measure? Well, Inforiver write-back matrix gets you the manage aggregation option with which you can handle this requirement. Let's take a look at on the canvas. We are on the canvas right now. We have product name in our row hierarchy. And just for the sake of getting some time perspective, we've got quarter in the columns. Now I'm going to first get the implicit measure, place it in the actual bucket. You will see that it is summing, and this value is incorrect because it is summing all the cost prices by product. This is cost price per unit of that product. So aggregation can be managed in the insert tab with this option. And you will see, by the way, all kind of measures that you have it on the report, you can manage the aggregation here. So right now I can choose average of leaf because there are no parent dimensions other than the product name in the rows. Similarly for the column as well. This is the value that we need to achieve. I'll just do a validity check here by placing the average cost price DAX. Both the values are matching. So I'll remove the DAX measure. Now I can further enrich my data. I can get my quantity actuals, which is a DAX measure. That's fine. I want to multiply my quantity with the average cost price and get the cost of product, the total cost of product. So we'll click on insert formula, product cost, and then I'm going to write this formula simply by clicking the column measures and using the multiplication operation. Here as well, for each measure which is formulated, you have the column aggregation type to choose and the row aggregation type to choose. I'll go with sum for column aggregation and formula for row aggregation. I'll say create. So that's how you can manage the aggregation and write correct formulas without even writing a single line of code or writing or depending on the DAX measures. See you in the next video.